Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So today is the first Saturday of September and it's the Project Share blog hop, and our theme this month is romance. So it's weddings, anniversaries, engagement, anything like that. So I haven't been making 3D projects for a long time, so I thought let's make some little wedding favours. So I've got these cute little very quick, easy wedding favours, and if you're making a lot of wedding favours, you want them to be quick and easy. So that's what we're making today. And when you open these out, you just untie the little ribbon. No bows, because people have difficulty with bows. And then we've just got a little love heart there in the middle. Minimal products. You can get 18 of these out of a sheet of 12 by 12, which is fabulous. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just struggling there to put it back. So yeah, so the Project Share, that is Verity from Stamp with Inky Butterfly, Heather from Stamp with Nelly, Jill from Paper Daisy Crafting, and myself. And every week on my blog we share a project from the last week that everybody's made, or it could be further back, just a project we've liked. And then once a month we do a blog hop, and we generally all make a video as well, go out at the same time. So there we are. That's how easy it is to put it. That didn't come across very easy, did it? Anyway, so stay tuned and you can see how quick this comes together. So I am going to use this sheet from Hues of Happiness. I think it's such beautiful paper, and we are going to cut a strip at 2 inches, so you would get 6 strips out of your 12 by 12, and then for each favour we need 4 inches, so you'd get 3 per sheet, so that would be 18 of these per sheet of 12 by 12. And if you're bulk making for favours, you want to get as many as possible out of your sheet of paper. You don't want to be wasting money, because weddings cost a lot of money. So then we take this big tag from Designer Tags, and we're just going to lay it across that centerpiece. So when you're putting it onto your base on your die cutter, let me bring it up, you want to make sure that you've got it end to end. Now it might look like it's a bit small, but it's not, because remember, the cutting edge is not on the edge of the metal die. The cutting edge is in a bit. So if we do it that way round, you can see that it easily cuts. And then these 2 edges up here, that will get caught in quite nicely. So you just want to make sure that when you put it down, I would use a bit of washi tape, that you are making sure that these 4 corners that come in are on the edge of your sheet, and then cut it out. So there it is, as you can see, cut beautifully in there. So we've got our little tag. Something I forgot to mention, why this paper's good, is it's really non-directional, and that's what you want with this project. You want it to be non-directional. So I would go ahead and cut out what did I say, 3, 6, 8, my 18 of those, and 36, however many I needed from my DSP. So I'd get them all cut out, and then I'd have them all piled up, and then I'd take a bone folder and give them all a bit of a curl. And I would do one at a time, giving them all a bit of a curl like that, so that they will curl nicely round and give you that great curvature. And then I'd have all my love hearts ready to go in at the centre. I mean, I've chosen love hearts. You could choose other little favours that might fit in this size. I'm wondering now, I've got these little dime bars that may fit in. Now, well, there's show over the side, so actually they're not a great choice. So, but a little sweet might go in there. I'm using love hearts. Wedding favour, that's what I'm using. I'm going to put a little glue dot on my love heart to hold it in place. So put it down there so that it doesn't fall out. That's your main reason for doing that. And then we want to choose a bit of ribbon. Now you can choose any ribbon to match what's on this paper. I'm going to remind myself of the colours on the paper. So we've got move it up so I can read. Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy and Pool Party. So if I was to pick out the pink, it's Melon Mambo or Flirty Flamingo. Now, I quite like the dark pink there. I don't have any Melon Mambo ribbon, and I don't have a Melon Mambo blend, but I do have forgotten what colour this is, polished pink, and I think that'll go quite well. Me polished pink, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to give it about that much. Fold it in half. Gonna have the polished pink up. It don't really matter which is the front and which is the back. Poke that through. Poke that through. So you could do all these bits in a bit of a conveyor belt. Get all your bridesmaids helping. There we go. Trim that. That looks cool. And then we just need a little sentiment on the front. The wedding favours, so you're saying thank you. So I decided to go with this sentiment here, a heartfelt thank you from Nature's Prince. You're thanking everybody for joining you on your special day. So I might go with polished pink rather, to match the ribbon. Hands decided not to work there. So just gonna stamp that. A heartfelt thank you. I overstamped that slightly. Not very happy with that. So I'm going to stamp it again. That's better. And then I'm going to just punches are quicker. So for a project like this, I'd want to punch the scallop bit there of this oval, double oval punch. Fits that sentiment really, really well. And then I'm going to I'm just going to dip it in the ink around that edge. Like so. Managed to get a little bit of ink on there. Didn't really want to do that. So that will sit on there quite nicely. I'm going to give it a minute to dry, and I've got some little gems that go with this suite. So I'll take that little, I haven't even opened them yet. So I'm going to take a little gem. Oh, I can't actually. Could stick it over there where I've smudged it a bit that I want happy. There we go. And then I'm just going to get some dimensionals. Stick them on the back. I'm not putting them right to the edge because this will go over the edge ever so slightly. So I'm going to bring it in from the edge. 2 will be enough. And then we're going to stick that on there. Like so. And that is my little wedding favour. Very quick. If you've got yourself a little conveyor belt going, that will go even quicker. And that's that, all ready to sit on the table, and it sits up really nicely. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. But you can have that sitting there nicely in front of your guests at your wedding. Of course, you can use it for other things. It's just the theme of this blog hop was romance, weddings, anniversaries. So that's why I'm calling it a wedding favour, but it could be for anything. So hope you like that. Nice little quick project, and I'll link to the blog down below. Do go and check out what Verity, Jill and Heather have made, and I'll be with you again tomorrow with another video. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.